because there's snow doesn't mean all the laws of the road have gone away.
I think it's a challenge. I think he's just going to park in the middle of the intersection.
He's gonna hit his car.
Probably. He's got his hazards on. I think
What's
it's
he doing?
backing him the wrong way down a one-way street in the snow.
Well, he's going the right direction now. What's on the back of his... Is he a snowblower?
Yeah. Yeah.
I have to get that sucker out, man.
Uh-huh. You might have to.
Wish he hadn't made that turn, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's a snowblower and a shovel. Whoa! Yeah, that corner, that's probably not a good place where that van is parked.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Oh, those guys are still down there.
Are they stuck again?
They're probably like, man, you kind of ruined my car.